The Amazon rainforest is the most popular and the second largest of all the forests in the world. About 5.5 million square kilometers or 2.1 million square miles large, this rainforest is a mammoth in size. It covers almost 31% of the total land area of South American continent and spreads through 9 countries: Brazil, Peru, Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana, an overseas department and region of France. Let's now compare its size with the rest of the world to get a real picture of the extent of this vast forest.